Come learn all about earthworms with me. Hi, my name is Audrey, and I'm going to talk about earthworms and how they live, play a vital role in our ecosystem, plus some fun facts about them. The organism that you see below is an earthworm, which is its commonly known name. Its scientific name is Lumbricus terrestris. What is an earthworm's habitat? Earthworms are native to non-glaciated areas of North America, and its natural habitat is in salty soils, which can hold large amounts of water and organic material, and that's vital for the organism's survival. The habitat they don't want would be sandy because it isn't dense. It's hot and can dry out quickly. Water makes up 75% of an earthworm's body. Wait, so they like it moist and they won't dehydrate. The earthworms are the most abundant during the spring and autumn times of year because it's their ideal temperature of survival. Most earthworms prefer a pH of around 5 to 8, but some like more acidic soils. Also, living in deep soils is an earthworm's favorite because all the nutrients sink where they can use it and they're most protected from the sun and or other harmful organisms. How do earthworms get their food? Earthworms obtain their food in a very interesting way. They are consumers, so they cannot produce their own food, but they don't eat other organisms. They eat the soil in front of them, which contains all the nutrients they need, and then they dispose of it behind. But this is also how they move. So they're constantly eating soil to move from one place to another. From the bits of soil they eat, their bodies pick the nutrients they need out of the decaying organic matter from the soil and dispose of the rest. The waste from this process is called worm casting. After this process, decomposers like fungi and bacteria come in and break down this organic matter into nutrients like potassium or nitrogen. Then plants use these nutrients and the cycle continues. What are earthworms' predators and prey? Like I previously discussed, earthworms take the nutrients from soil as their food, but their predators are many. Their predators are a group of small carnivores that eat them like when they see earthworms peeking out from the soil. This group of carnivores contains weasels, stoats, otters, frogs, and mink. The only carnivore that doesn't prey on earthworms are spiders. Next, some medium-sized omnivores prey on earthworms for food. They include pigs, raccoons, etc. Also, many birds feed on earthworms, like American robins and woodcocks. And lastly, some amphibians also eat earthworms as a tasty snack. Some examples are frogs, turtles, and snakes. So in the food chain, earthworms are in danger a lot from predators. What are some unique traits of earthworms? Over time, earthworms have evolved many morphological adaptations. Their bodies are composed of ring-like sediments known as annuli, and these segments are covered in setae, which are small bristles, as you can see in my diagram. The earthworms can use these to move and burrow. This is going to sound strange, but scientists refer to categorizing their bodies as a tube within a tube, since they have an outer muscular body wall covering a digestive tract that starts at the mouth. They also have developed circular muscles that surround each body segment, along with a singular long muscle that runs throughout its entire body. These muscles work together so the earthworm moves. Another unique structure of the earthworm is its pharynx, which is something the earthworm can push out of its mouth in order to grab its food. Where is the earthworm located on the tree of life? Earthworms are classified in the subclass of Oligocota. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And in the class of Clatella. Phylum Annelida, which puts them in this class is their repeating segmented bodies and their few setae used for movement and traction. Their clatellum, which is a thickened region of the worm that secretes cocoon for housing eggs, and they are found in the same habitat. What is the importance of the earthworm? The earthworm is more important than you might think. Remember when I mentioned the organism's predator and prey? The earthworm is what gives fungi and bacteria the nutrients to transform nutrients to plants, and the predators who eat these earthworms would have a food decline if they didn't exist. Fun fact, many people growing gardens love having earthworms, because they keep the soil healthy and produce nutrients for their plants. Most of all, they improve soil structure all around, which impacts food structure, and that in turn helps us humans out. Here are all of my sources, and thank you for listening.